What's going on, it's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Spec 16-inch M3 Pro MacBook Pro. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then be sure to subscribe, smacking that bell icon to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly mention that I have got both the 14 and the 16-inch MacBook Pros in with the same spec. So if you'd like to see the performance difference between these two machines, then you already know to hit that subscribe button. But as I mentioned, this is the Spec M3 Pro MacBook Pro, which means it comes with a 12-core CPU, an 18-core GPU, 36GB of unified memory, along with 4TB of SSD storage. Also, if you're based in the United States, this MacBook Pro would set you back $4,099, whereas over here in the United Kingdom, it set me back £4,199. But that's enough about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this MacBook Pro. So as you see in typical Apple fashion, there are two pull tabs on the rear, and pulling away at this and lifting away the lid reveals the MacBook Pro sat atop in typical Apple fashion. And placing this to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included with this MacBook Pro. So the first item included with this MacBook Pro is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and within this we'll find a number of different pieces of documentation. The first of these is our quick start guide, which gives us a general overview of the layout of ports on the sides of this MacBook Pro, along with software items like the dock and the menu bar. This is then followed up by some health and safety and regulatory information, along with further details on our 1-year Apple limited warranty. And that's not to forget the 2 black Apple stickers that come included with this MacBook Pro. The next item included with this MacBook Pro makes up our 140-watt USB-C power adapter. Now this power adapter comes in 2 separate parts, so if you are traveling around to other countries, you're able to swap the plug portion of the adapter, so you're able to plug it directly into sockets of those countries. This charger will also allow this MacBook Pro to be fast charged to 50% in 30 minutes. And the last item included with this MacBook Pro is our USB-C to MagSafe 3 power cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of 2 meters, and as you can see it is braided and color matched to the color of the MacBook Pro which I've chosen. And as you can probably guess, I have chosen to once again go for the space black MacBook Pro. As always, I will be running a number of different tests on this new MacBook Pro, so if there is anything you would like to see specifically tested, then be sure to let me know by dropping a comment down below in this video's comment section. As I mentioned, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, clicking that bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. If you'd like to see which videos I'm currently working on, then be sure to follow me over on my social media. I'll leave that link down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.